Hi there, this is J3. Welcome to the part 5 of Jungle Blog in VS Code. Okay, the first step, let's continue our post. You can make this post completely to the end, the episode number 7. And now the previous episode we saw how to create this registration page right here, and but the user cannot be able to log in. Okay, the admin dashboard is only for user with admin access privilege. By default, our new user aren't going to have that, so we need to have a login page. So let's get started. Step 1, go to the code Jungle project URL and make this modification. Let's go straight to the code here, Jungle project, and let's open URL. Let me make the terminal right here. This is the terminal that I am using right here. Fine. Now let's go to the URL and let's copy this piece of code right here and let's paste it here, and let's copy these two paths for login and logout and paste it right before the admin path. Let's correct the indentation right here and let's save it. Fine. Step 2, if you try to access login page by running the server, you will receive an error. It will try to upload the template. Okay, let's make this template right now. Let's create a login HTML page at the userhub.com, and let's copy this piece of code right here. Let me see. Let's copy this. Let's close this. And let's go to the user hub template and let's create login HTML. And let's create a new file and name it login.html and hit enter and paste it, save it. And now step 4, create user hub logout page. Okay, let's create a logout page 2, new file logout.html, hit enter, and let's copy this piece of code right here, Control C, close this, Control V, hit save. Step 5, create profile in the same directory. Let's create a profile, new file, profile.html, hit enter. Let's copy this code. Sorry, this is Control C, Control C, Control V, Control S, and there you have it. Step 6, go to jungle settings.py, and at the very end of the settings.py, make this code right here. Let's go there. Let's close all this template that we just make. Go to the Jungle project settings.py. Go to the very end of this code and place this. Control S. Hit save. In step 7, modify the view.py so that the user will be required to log in if they want to use the profile. Okay, let's go there. The modify user views user hub. Let's see, user hub, the view.py right here. find this one, and let's modify it to add this piece of code right here, and let's modify this message. Control C, and let's see, the message is right here. Control V, right? And now it's gonna redirect not to home page but to login page. Control V, and then let's create the, yes, right here, and let's create the login, logout profile right here at the end of this. Let's create this, hit save. Fine, everything's looking fine. Let's see this step 8. Now let's try to register user test 3. Okay, let's run the server. Let's type Python manage.py run server, hit enter, and hope for the best. Okay, let's try to log in. Let me see, home page, about page. Okay, let's try to log in someone. Okay, let's try to log in user test 3. Let's paste testing. Okay, I do not have user test 2, but I have user register. Okay, I want to register. Let's go to the register and not to login. Let register. User test 3. Okay, the user test 3. Let's try to end that testing. 3, 2, 1. Again, testing. Oh, sorry. Testing. 3, 2, 1. Sign up. And hope for the best. Okay, hi. User test 3, your account has been created. Log in now. Okay, let's log in user test 3 and see if I can. Okay, user test 3. Testing. 3, 2, 1. Log in. And there you have it. I am now in the user test 3. Fine. Let's return to the to the blog right here, and let's go to this step 9, blog template, blog based HTML. Okay, let's correct the blog. Let's go to the blog based HTML. Okay, let's go to the blog template based HTML, and let's make this modification right here at this. Control C, and let's see where I have to put it in the nav bar, not here in the nav bar, but here. This modification right here. Okay, let's see right here at, okay, about page, logout, profile, login, register. Okay, disable, login, logout, register. Okay, right here, let's go there. Let me see, link right here. Let's paste it right here, Control V, and let's hope for the best. Let's correct the template here. I do not know if this is right, but I guess so. Okay, is if user authentication, logout, login, profile, and let's save it and hope for the best. Let's see. Let's go to the page again. Let's follow. We have some error here. Okay, let's see what is the error. Sorry. Okay, I already find the error. The profile was not found. Let's continue our tutorial. Go to the Jungle project URL and make this modification right there. Okay, let's go there. Site to the code. Let's see, here is the modification that we have to make it. Let's see. Sorry, this is the error. Let's close this and let's see the modification we have to go. We have to, okay, we have to copy this import of view, Control C. Okay, we already have this user. Now the profile is right here. Okay, login, logout. Okay, login, logout profile. Login, logout, register right before the register. Okay, login, logout, register. Let's put this to other Control S. Register, profile, login, logout. Okay, let's paste it right here. Let's see if everything admin, register, profile, login, logout, and everything looks fine. Let me see. We have to, where is, okay. Let me copy all this so that I do not make, oh, all right. Here is, let's save it. I think everything is fine. Let's go there again. Okay, let's see if the error persists. Let's go there and let's see. All right, we are already, you are already log out, log in. Let's log out. Fine. Log out. Thanks for spending some time quality with the web today. Let's log in. Okay, let's log in with a J3 and let's test it. And there you have it, login or J3 is login. Fine. Let's return to the tutorial and that's all. I think this is all. Thank you very much to join me here at J3 channel. I really do appreciate every friend viewers. Subscribe, especially to you. I hope you have a great day. Take care. Bye.